everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. So guys, today's video is going to be just a chill video. It's going to be my Boxyluxe unboxing, and it's upside down. There you go. Boxyluxe. So the lighting isn't perfect because there's no lights in back of me, and the window's behind me, and my Christmas tree is behind me. So, you know, it's just going to be a chill video. Don't play with knives, kids. I need this to open up my box. It literally just came. So, let's get into it, shall we? I'll give you guys a little sneak peek, and like Justin says, not too much. Okay. Oh, I don't think they gave me a card. Yes, they did. Okay, so this is Bubbles and Glitz for this month. So it looks like that. And the variations are weird. It's just like a bunch of numbers and letters. So let's jump into it, shall we? I don't know everything that I got in here, but I know a couple of things. Okay, this was a choice item, so I'm going to show you guys this first. This is the Brazilian Kiss Tintish Capuacu lip butter. I can't pronounce that. I butchered that. Now, a lot of people got these in their box like a month or so ago, and people didn't like the scent of them. They said that it smelled gross, but I think they smell like the Cocoa Cabana cream, and a lot of people think that smells like buttered popcorn. No, I think it kind of smells like the other ones that are not tinted that you get. What color did I get mine in? I know I picked the color too. I can't see it here. Tigger, don't knock over the camera. And don't play with the knife. I'll put that under here. Yeah, I can't see the color on this anywhere. Keep it Rio. So I picked the darkest color so it would give me a little bit of tint. So this is what it looks like. I'll swatch it for you guys even though I don't have a, there's like nothing. No pigment coming off at all. Alright, so that's a dud. Well, it's not a dud, but it has no color. I thought it was going to have some color payoff, which it doesn't, so whatever. It don't matter. I like these anyway because, like I said, I have the regular ones, the Brazilian Kiss ones that came in like, oh, it has a little tiny, you're not going to be able to see that, but it has a tiny hint of color. Okay, and then I also picked these. These are Zaxi by, oh, sorry, the Brazilian Kiss stuff. Sol de Janeiro, that retails for $20. That was one of my choice items. The other one was these Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor stud earrings. And these retail for $36. These are cute. These are going to be nice to wear through the holidays. Let's take the... Tigger's sitting right behind the camera. I'm hoping he's not going to knock it over. It's okay, Tigger. You can stay there. Just don't knock over my camera. So this is what they look like. They're going to be nice for the holidays. Yeah. They're cubic zirconia. Alright, so let's just start grabbing products. Looks like a set of brushes. Well, I know it's a set because I watched spoilers, so... This is Luxie Glitter and Gold brush set. It retails for $85. Did Luxie put their prices up? I know they were like a little high end, but $85? And they're childproof. Ugh, it smells like spray paint. It's probably, is it the brushes or is it the case? It comes in this like red velvety case, but that smells like spray paint. And I don't know if it's that or the brushes themselves. Oh, it's the brushes. Oh, definitely got to wash them. But this is what the brush set looks like. So you have some eyeshadow brushes. You can always use more brushes. They're soft. Luxie brushes are always soft. This is going to be full of cat hair. I know that right off the bat. Especially in my house. What else we got in here? Okay, this is from Avant. And this is the... I can't read that. It's all over the place. Let me find it here. Sorry for the bird, guys. Avant Skincare Intense Redefying Glycidic Acid Day Moisturizer. Okay, and this retails for $123. Okay then. That brand's expensive anyway. I've gotten stuff from that brand before. Alright. Good Jeans by Sunday Riley. This is an expensive product too. This is Sunday Riley Good Jeans Lactic Acid Treatment. And this retails for $85. And these prices are all in US. And I'll have information about BOXYCHARM listed below for you guys. I'm not going to go through the spiel. I stopped doing that, but I'll just have all the information down below. So yeah, that's cold from being outside. Alright, what else we got in here? Couple of palettes by the looks of it. Okay, but first this is the Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In. So it's like a leave-in conditioner, I assume, for your hair. Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In, formulated with gold-infused shield. This leave-in formula, 7 mystic ingredients, champagne, yeah, it's like a leave-in hair conditioner. Oh, and this retails for $22. How's it smell? Oh, I just squirted myself. That was a Vlogmas fail. It smells nice. It smells like salon. I'm all about smell. I don't want to open these skincare products though, because once you open it, they start counting down how long they expire. Alright, and like I said, we have a couple of palettes in here, which I knew, because I'm bad, I can't wait. It's the same. I'm like a little kid on Christmas morning. I can't wait to look at stuff to see, so I always end up looking at spoilers. This is the Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. Here's the outer packaging. It's nothing crazy to write home about, but here's what it looks like. I might give it a try. Doesn't like wow me. I don't use a lot of face palettes, but these are good for people that travel because you have all your products in one most of the time. And this retails for $55. And like I said, these prices are all in US, so in Canadian they're going to be a bit more. Alright, I'm getting rid of all of this packaging because I don't want it lying around. And last but not least, the last hip top palette that I got, I gave away in a giveaway. This one I'm keeping. And I'll show you why. But this is the C Note palette. Pressed eyeshadow palette. This retails for $30, I think. Yeah, $30. Here's what the unicarton looks like. And I'm just going to toss this because I don't need it. And here's what the outer packaging looks like. It looks like really pretty colors. This is inspired by like Mexico, I believe. Unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of C Note. An homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. Yeah, I thought I heard something like along those lines. So let's look and see what it looks like. And this is why I'm keeping it, because let's just get rid of this flimsy thing because I never save them. Look, does this palette not scream Sherry? Oh, so pretty. Look at this color down here on the bottom. Oh, let's swatch it. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. I know you're not going to be able to see them that well. And then this icy blue up in the corner here. Oh, if you guys want to see me do a look with this palette, oh my God, that's gorgeous. Whew. If you guys want to see me do a look with this palette, let me know down below, and I will try to get that done for you guys. So that is everything that I received in my Boxyluxe, and I'm pretty sure they're going to be all keepers this month. I'm going to play with them. I'm going to hold on to this card in case I want to read on information on any of the products. And yeah, I like this box. Tigger's trying to climb in it now. This was a really good box. Like I'm kind of getting sick of getting face palettes. I keep giving them away, and this is like not like crazy up my alley, but that bronzer looks nice, and the blush and stuff, like it does look pretty. So, and Iconic London is an expensive brand, so I definitely want to try those out. I have to wash these brushes because they smell, so I'm not putting them on my face until I wash them. I always love getting skincare. This is how I get most of my skincare, is through BOXYCHARM. I don't buy it anymore because BOXYCHARM hooks me up. And then these earrings are super cute. And then this I will use because I love using lip butters, and I don't find the smell offensive. I know some people do, but I don't. And then a leave-in hair conditioner. That's something that I haven't gotten. I haven't gotten hair products for a while from BOXYCHARM, so I'm excited about this. I'll give this a try. So anyway, that is everything that I got in my Boxyluxe for this month. Did you guys get anything different, or did you get a BOXYCHARM? What items did you get in your BOXYCHARM? Let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell. Other than Vlogmas, I typically upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I hope you guys are staying safe and doing well. And I will talk to you guys all tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 20? Yeah. All right. See you guys.